Chapter 10, Lesson 8 is a hands-on activity, and we're going to look at multiplication as scaling, which means the process of resizing a number when you multiply by a fraction that is greater than or less than 1. So let's just make a note, okay? If the fraction is less than 1, then you're going to get an answer that is less than your original number, or I-G-I-N, can't spell, original number. Okay? So if your fraction is greater than greater than 1, you'll get an answer that is larger than the original number. Okay? So, make a note of that. Alright? So, scaling is the process of resizing a number when you multiply it by a fraction that is greater than or less than 1. So if the fraction is less than 1, you're going to get an answer that's going to be smaller than your original. And if the fraction is greater than 1, you're going to get an answer that is larger than the original. So, let's look. It says multiply the number 2 by 3 fractions greater than 1. So, 2 times 1 1/5, okay, which means we're going to have to convert this into an improper fraction. So it's going to be 2 times 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6 over 5. Okay, 2 times 6 is 12 over 5. 5 goes into 12 2 times, because 5 times 2 is 10, with 2 left over, and our denominator is 5. So 2 times 1/5 is 2 2/5. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to convert. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So this is 2 over 1 times 3 over 2. So that makes it 6 over 2. And we can't leave it improper, so we have to convert. So 2 goes into 6 3 times. So 2 times 1 1/2 is 3. And then our last number is 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7 over 4. And again, we're going to multiply that by 2 over 1, our whole number. And we're going to get 14 over 4. So 4 goes into 14 3 times. Because 4 times 3 is 12, with 2 left over. And 4 is our denominator. But we definitely need to write this one as 3 1/2, don't we? Because this is not simplest form. Okay, so there's all of our work. So, we're going to plot 2 on the number line. It's here. Then we're going to plot the products on the number line. So 2 2/5. Well, let's plot our whole number, 3. That was easy, right? And 3 1/2. That's also easy. 3 1/2. There's 3. So 2 2/5 is going to be somewhere right about there. 2 2/5. So, compare the products. Circle whether the products are greater than, less than, or equal to 2. So our products are all greater than 2. Multiplying a number by a fraction greater than 1 results in a product that is greater than the number. Okay, let's look at our try it. Okay, so we're going to multiply the number 2 by 3 fractions less than 1. So they gave us 1/4, 1/2, and 5/8. So let's put our whole number all over 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. 4 times 1 is 4, but we clearly have to make that 1/2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So 2 over 2 is the same as 1, right? And then 2 times 5 is 10. 8 times 1 is 8. So we have an improper fraction which we need to convert. So I didn't put it in the box because I saw that we had 3. 8 goes into 10 one time with 2 left over. And so that's really, let's divide that by 2 over 2. So that's really 1 1/4. Right? So let's plot that on the number line. So 2 is plotted for us, and now we're going to plot the products on our number line. So here we had a half, so that's about down there, 1/2. Here we had a whole, so that's right there, that's our 1. And then lastly we had 1 1/4, which would be about right there, 1 1/4. So it's clear to see that all of the products fall to the left of 2, which means they're less than 2. So multiplying a number by a fraction less than 1 results in a product that is less than the number. Okay, I'm going to stop there. Thanks for watching.